Welcome to another episode of In the Field with McKim Creed. Hi, I'm Barry Dunham, mechanical engineer with McKim Creed, and we're here today at the University of Tampa North Central Energy Plant. This is a project that's recently been completed. We've been involved with a design-build team from concept all the way through the finished product. And we're going to spend some time going through the plant and talking about some of the features of this central energy plant. The University of Tampa has been experiencing a tremendous amount of growth over the last few years. It became obvious that the existing central energy plant, which is located on the south end of the campus, could not handle the chilled water load, which provides most of the cooling for all of the spaces located on campus. We were tasked by the University of Tampa to review their existing campus, also to look at their master plan and see what we could do to provide an additional central energy plant located on the north end of campus that would satisfy not only the current conditions, but also meet the master plan future conditions on campus. So as part of this project, we not only designed the buildings, the location where this went, but also the pumping system and the controls that tie the two plants together. We performed a life cycle cost analysis on a number of different chillers and chiller manufacturers. The chillers behind me are the chillers that we chose based on their efficiency, performance, and looking at a 20-year lifetime of these chillers. I'm here with Dan Cox. Dan Cox was the lead electrical engineer on this project and basically is responsible for the design and layout of this electrical room up here. Dan, why don't you tell us a little bit about this project?
Sure, Barry, thank you. Here on the electrical mezzanine, we have our 3 dedicated electric services and room for a 4th. Each service is dedicated to a chiller and its associated pumps. This provides resiliency throughout the system. The plant was also designed to have the ability to add a generator in the future. We have room for 8 transfer switches that can be installed that will allow us to incorporate emergency backup power in addition to the available utility power.
But one of the challenges is providing a new plant on an existing campus is always tough. As you can see behind me, our building is extremely close to an existing baseball field. Not only that, but this part of the campus has a lot of utilities, a lot of things that needed to be coordinated, and this project was done with students and staff in attendance. Understanding what's going on a campus allows us to really interact with the design team and the owner to make sure that we deliver a project like this that is the least amount of impact on the students and staff, but provide the necessary chilled water expansion to help the campus meet its long-term master plan goals. Thank you for tuning into this edition of In the Field with McKim Creed, and we're looking forward to the next one.